A new offer has come out for my clients who are booked at Aulani. So let's update their packaging. So we are going to go in and go into their bookings. Let's open this up and we are going to update the pricing. Oops, $569. It's going to update how much is left. And then of course we do need to update our commission. Want to keep all of our reportings correct. And then let's add in up at the top, save up to 35%, 30%, so that we know when we are looking at our overview that there is an offer for this. You don't need to do any other changes to it because it's the same room. It is the same room nights. We just had to update the package pricing. So we've done that. We're going to publish this. And we could send to our clients, say, hi, Rachel. And then send. And that's all we need to do. An offer has been released for my clients' Walt Disney World Vacation package. So let's help them out. We're going to open up our trip. And of course, we're going to do everything that we need to do over in DTA. But now we're going to come over here. And I'm going to add that this is the save up to 20%. And then we're going to change their pricing. It's going to update how much is due. And then, of course, we're going to modify. Ooh, I did not have the correct commission amount in there, did I? Okay, and now I have updated that. Go to my overview, and I see the package is there with the discount. I'm going to publish it, send off a note. Boy, I'm writing this way too many times. I really need to create an email template for this, don't I? Send that off. It's already published. It's good to go. It's all I need to do. My client was on Disney Cruise Line and saw that there was one cabin remaining in concierge and they wanted it instead of their cabin that they already have. So we're going to pull up our booking that we have. And this is the stateroom that they have. And we are going to go to the rooms and we are going to go back to search cabins. And we are going to choose concierge. Family Ocean View stateroom with veranda. That has now changed their room. And we're going to put in our stateroom, new stateroom, 20010. Yes, 12010. Yes, there are 2 decks above where they were. We're going to go to our bookings and pull up the pricing for this cruise. And it is now $16,495.16. So it's going to update their totals. Now, if we had to make another adjustment, I would be doing an installment and putting an amount. But they put in their deposit before the new changes for the deposit policy happened. So they are set. They don't need to pay any additional. So we're just going to double check. Oh, and I do need to update my commission. There it is. And I'll go back, double check everything. It all looks great. So I'm going to publish this. Hi, Rachel. change for you per your request. For full trip details, there it is, and send that off. Now we are all set. Go back to our bookings. We can look at it. There's that one that is ready, and the other stateroom, they're going to be by themselves now, but they are there.